Hello friends, you must all have been aware about the Balakot airstrike, which took place in the retaliation of the Pulwama attack. The attack in which 40 personnel of Central Armed Police Forces lost their life. It was a militant attack and a case of suicide bombing which was conspirated by Pakistan and Kashmiri militants. So, in retaliation to this Pulwama attack, Indian Air Force carried out air strike in Balakot. This operation was named as Operation Bandar. Now, Operation Bandar took place at the time of pre-dawn at around 3:30 a.m. in the morning on 26th of February 2019. In this airstrike, Indian Air Force crossed line of control and it sent its 12 Mirage 2000 fighter aircraft, which dropped bombs in the terrorist operating camps of Jaish-e-Mohammed in the Balakot village, which falls in vicinity of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa regions of Pakistani occupied Kashmir. Sources has claimed that plus 200 terrorists have lost their life or they were killed by this operation. Now further, in retaliation to India's air strike, Pakistan has launched its own impulsive action. It sent its fighter aircrafts to cause damage and to hit military camps, military bases, air force stations in the Indian territory. Now, while chasing the Pakistani fighter aircraft, Wing Commander Abhinandan shot down one of their F-12 fighter jet, and while his own Mirage MiG-21 was shot down, and he, he was captured by the Pakistani military. Then he was prisoned and he was released on 1st March by Pakistani officials. And further, he was awarded the Wartime Gallantry Award, which is Veer Chakra. Now, this air strike, in which initially Indian aircraft crossed LOC and bombed on Pakistani bases, and further the Pakistani aircrafts crossed LOC and they enter our territory. It was the first time since 1971 Indo-Pak War that they had crossed LOC and used fighter aircrafts in each other's territory. So this was our Balakot air strike. In response to Balakot airstrike, uh, ex-chief, that is Air Chief Marshal B.S. Danoa, he gave a statement that Balakot airstrike has taught us many lessons. It has changed the paradigm in which Indian Armed Forces and Indian Air Force used to conduct operations. And this experience will help India to retaliate and adopt more robust defensive mechanism for further security of our nation. Thank you.